Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can give access to our Facebook business page. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and you simply need to log in into your Facebook account. So once you're done that, you simply need to select your page, and here you need to click on settings, and then you need to click on new page experience. Here you can see people with Facebook access. Click on add new and click on next. So here you can select person by name or email address. So let me search a random person. So let me select this person, and what type of access you want. If you want, you can allow this person to have full control. If you want to give full control, click on that, and then you need to click on give access. So this is the process by which you can give access to our Facebook business page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.